Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about sequence, the definition of sequence, examples of sequence, arithmetic progression. Let us see all these points with the help of examples. Students, what is a sequence? A sequence is nothing but a list of numbers arranged serially. That means a serial list of numbers or serial wise list of numbers. Here you can see each one of them is a list of numbers. At serial number 1 here, the item is 3, the number is 3. At serial number 2 here, it is 1. At serial number 3, it is -1. At serial number 4, it is -3. Similarly, you can see here at serial number 1, it is 1 by 3. At serial number 2, it is 5 by 3. At serial number 3, it is 9 by 3. At serial number 4, it is 13 by 3. To make a serial of numbers, we need at least 3 numbers. So here we have written at least 3 numbers, though we have written 4 numbers. Hence, it is a serial wise list of numbers and therefore all of them constitute a sequence. Now a sequence is an arithmetic progression if any term minus its preceding term is constant throughout. Now let us see here. Here the second term is 1 and the first term is 3. 3 is before 1. That means 3 is the preceding term of this term. This is your first term or item at the first serial number. Now here 1 minus 3 is -2. Similarly here -1 minus 1 is again -2. -3 minus of -1, that is -3 plus 1, that is -2. Hence we get that any term minus its preceding term is going to be -2. And this difference is called common difference. And in any sequence, if this characteristic is found, the sequence is termed as arithmetic progression and hence it is an arithmetic progression. Now let us look at the second example here. This is a list of numbers and therefore it is a sequence arranged serially. Now here -1 minus of -5, that means -1 plus 5, that is 4. Similarly here 3 minus of -1, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. Again 7 minus 3, that is 4. Hence the difference is 4 and this is common difference. Any term minus its preceding term is constant. So you will get 4 at every stage. Now here let us look at the third example. Here the first term is 1 by 3, the second term is 5 by 3 and so on. Now 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is again 4 by 3. 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3 is again 4 by 3. That means the common difference is 4 by 3. Since we have a common difference, this sequence is an example of arithmetic progression. Now let us look at the fourth example. 1.7 minus 0.6, that means 1.1. 2.8 minus 1.7 is again going to be 1.1. 3.9 minus 2.8 is again going to be 1.1, and therefore here the common difference is 1.1. Since this sequence has a common difference, and that is why it is an example of arithmetic progression. Now let us look at the fifth example. Here 2, here 4, 8, 16. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4, not 2. Here 16 minus 8 is 8, not 2. That means there is no such common difference, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is not an arithmetic progression. Though it is a sequence, but it is not an arithmetic progression. Now let us look at example number 6. 5 by 2 minus 2, that is 1 by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2, that is 1 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 3, again 1 by 2. Therefore here common difference is 1 by 2, and therefore it is an example of arithmetic progression. Now let us look at seventh example. Here minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, and so on. Here minus 3.2, minus of minus 1.2. That means it is the difference is going to be minus 2. Similarly here the difference is going to be minus 2. Minus 7.2 minus 5.2, the difference is going to be minus 2. Hence we get a common difference, and therefore it is an example of an arithmetic progression. Similarly you can find here the common difference is 4, and therefore this is an example of arithmetic progression. Now let us see at example number 9. 3 plus root 2 minus 3 is root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2 is again root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 is again root 2. That means we find here a common difference, and the common difference is root 2, and therefore this is an example of an AP or arithmetic progression. Now you see here 0.22 minus 0.2 is 0.02. Now here 0.222 minus 0.22 is 0.002, which is not equal to 0.02, and hence it has no common difference, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is not an arithmetic progression. Now let us look at the example number 11. Here minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4, minus 8 minus minus 4, that is minus 4, again minus 12 minus of minus 8 is minus 4. That means here we have d is equal to 4, that is common difference is 4. And since we find a common difference in this sequence, and therefore this sequence is an example of an arithmetic progression. Similarly you can see here the difference is 0, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is an arithmetic progression, but here common difference is 0, and this particular arithmetic progression is called a constant sequence. Now let us look at the example number 13. Here 1, 3, 9, 27, and so on. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 3 is not 2, rather it is 6. And therefore it has no such common difference, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is not an arithmetic progression. Now here look at the example 14. A, 2a, 3a, 4a. 2a minus a is a, 3a minus 2a is a, 4a minus 3a is a, and therefore we have a common difference, and that common difference is a, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is an arithmetic progression. Now here you can see a square minus a is a square minus a, or a times a minus 1. Now a cube minus a square is a square times a minus 1. That means here we don't find any common difference, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is not arithmetic progression. Now you can see here this is root 2. Root 8 can be written as 4 multiplied by 2, that is 2 root 2. Here it is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. Now this can be written as 9 multiplied by 2 and therefore 3 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is again root 2. Now here this is 16 multiplied by 2, that is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is root 2. Therefore here we find a common difference, and that common difference is root 2, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is an arithmetic progression. Now here you see 3, 6, 9, 12. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. And therefore we have a common difference, and that common difference is 3. And therefore this is an example of a sequence which is also an arithmetic progression. Now here you see root 6 minus root 3. Root 9 minus root 6, they are not equal. Root 12 minus root 9, none of them are equal. And therefore we don't find any common difference, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is not an arithmetic progression. Now you see here, this is 1, 3, 5, 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. That means we find a common difference, and that common difference is 2, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is also an arithmetic progression. Now we see here 1 square, 2 square. 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now 5 square is 25. 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. And this is not equal to 3 square minus 1 square, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. 9 minus 1, that is 8. And therefore we don't find any such common difference, and therefore this is an example of a sequence which is not an arithmetic progression. So let us recapitulate all the things. What is a sequence? A sequence is a list of numbers arranged serially, or you can say a serial wise list of numbers. If a sequence has the property that any term minus its preceding term is constant throughout, that type of sequence is called arithmetic progression, and that difference is known as common difference of the arithmetic progression, and it is generally denoted by D. If we don't find any D, that may be a sequence but not an arithmetic progression. ओके, थैंक यू. दूसरे वीडियो के लिए